This video is how to find the least common multiple or the LCM. So I'm looking at the least common multiple. I want to find the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. Remember, multiplies are something that makes the numbers bigger. Like my multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and so on. Those are multiples. So if I want to find the least common multiple of 12 and 30, I'm going to do this similar to how I did greatest common factor. I'm going to use my upside down double division method again. So I'm going to put 12 and 30, and I'm going to put an upside down double division around both of them. I'm going to find a number that can go into both numbers. So I have to find something that can divide into both 12 and 30. So thinking about my divisibility rules, I know they're both even, so I can always put a 2 outside the box. Are there other correct answers as well? Yes, you could have also said 3 goes into both of them, 6 goes into both of them. There's more than one right way to start this problem, remember. I'm just going to start with 2 though. So I'm going to do the upside down double division. If you forget how to do that, there's more details on my greatest common factor video as well. So I'm going to do 2 into 12. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 goes into 30 15 times. I'm going to put my upside down double division box. I need to repeat this until they share no more common factors. So now look at both 6 and 15. Well, they're not both even, so I know 2 is not a factor, but I can't just stop there. I know that 3 can go into 6 and 3 can go into 15, so 3 is a common factor. So I'm going to put 3 outside the house. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. There's nothing besides 1 that can go in both 2 and 5, so I'm done with the upside down double division part. Now this is where it's different from what we did with greatest common factor. I don't want to just multiply the 2 and the 3 on the outside because that would just give me 6. And multiples have to be those numbers or bigger. So I can't be smaller number than 12 or 30. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to find a number that is larger than those or equal to. So what I want to do with this one is I want to actually be using the ones that make an L shape for LCM. The two numbers on the side and the two numbers on the bottom. Those all are going to be the numbers I'm going to multiply together to find the LCM. You see how they form that L shape. So I'm going to multiply together 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. So you could do your multiplication in any order. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do, well, I know 2 times 5 is 10, and that's really easy to multiply by. And I know that 2 times 3 is 6. So then I'm going to do 6 times 10 is 60. So 60 would be my LCM, my least common multiple. That's how you'd find least common multiple using upside down double division.